Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are going to talk about KuCoin. For those of you that don't know, KuCoin is the native token of KuCoin broker. So if we go on the coin market cap, we will see that KuCoin is on the 5th place for the spot trading. It is very good broker. 5th place is not bad at all. They are well ranked, as we can see. The volume, daily volume, is very high within this broker. Very good one. They have very good services as many other brokers. Very good assistance if you need help. But let's go back on the token that we are talking right now. If you go on the coin market cap and you are going to look at KuCoin, you are going to see that KuCoin is the native token of KuCoin, which was launched back in 2017. But what makes this token very special? So let's go down and you will see that if you are going to be the dividend holder, so if you buy 6 KuCoin, you can get a daily dividend which comes from 50% of KuCoin's daily trading revenue. So you get a daily dividend from holding a minimum amount of 6 KuCoins. So this is a very good daily profits for us. On the other hand, if you are going to trade with KuCoin, as in many other brokers, they are offering discount fees for trading within their brokers. They can go up to 80%. It's not bad at all. And also what I find very interesting is that for KuCoin holders can become KuCoin VIPs and users no longer need to have huge Bitcoin volume to unlock the reduced maker and taker fees. KuCoin can also be used as a payment method for shopping, making hotel reservations and buying gaming equipment and more. So this is a huge revolution, I guess, for this broker. It's very good, and also they are going to burn from their supply. So from KuCoin initial supply was set at 200 million and they are going to burn each quarter. KuCoin and KCS team are buying back KuCoin from the market and burning them every quarter, the amount of KuCoin to be burned. So it depends on the quarter trading volume of the exchange, and also so the circulating supply of KuCoin is decreased and will eventually settle down to 100 million. I find this very interesting overall. Also their network is very good. Also KuCoin can be also used within the broker to transfer USDT and other coins with very low transaction fees, but they are for the moment within the brokers. It's very good. And what it makes more interesting, I'm going to break it down on different perspectives. So we are going to look at the technical analysis of KuCoin right now, where is on our charts, because we need to see also where the price is before we can buy or we can add in our trading portfolio. As long as we know that this is the coin of the broker, we are more secure here, like in many other coins, let's say. So let's look at on the weekly chart. It looks very interesting. Price tested this low support area close to 8.0. This is dating back with very old price areas. The first one is April 21. We have seen this also on the other coins that tested these low areas, and we can see also that this area is not letting the price to move down. So this is perfect and is showing that momentum is still very good. On the other hand, the bullish candles from July, the beginning of July, price is moving up. Everything looks like it is recovering after Bitcoin is recovering as well, so those are in line with each other, like all the other coins with Bitcoin. So we need to see what can happen, because all of this move down on the coin that happened on different brokers, it is not only related with KuCoin. You will see that it is only related with the volume that many traders stopped trading, or probably they closed their trading because of fear and panic. So let's see what is happening. In this pattern we can see a very nice harmonic pattern. If I'm going to clone it, the reversal area is pointing down in a very strong zone. Look at the zone where we are right now. So all of these become our reversal area. As long as the price is stopped and Bitcoin on the other hand as correlated pair is showing resistance, is showing support on the lower part, we can see price to move up from this point. So this is what I am expecting on the bigger time frame. So let's isolate this part of the movement that we are actually expecting. I'm going to take this ABC pattern here, and this is our big scenario that I'm looking at. I really like this scenario. I'm adding personally in KuCoin tokens for the free funds that I'm actually having here. It is very interesting, and we are going to look at the part what the price is doing at this moment. So let's break it down on the daily time frame. When everything began with Bitcoin, when the price came down on March approximately, price was close to this top of the structure. It is very interesting area, so a minimum movement that I am expecting for this token is that we should see this strong area. The strong area that I am looking at has the structure resistance, so this is showing to be very strong, very good as well. So you can buy KuCoin for the long term in order to trade with it, but also if you have this token on your portfolio just to make profits only from this point, it will double your account. And also the broker is very strong, is the 5th rated broker, so is huge in my opinion where the price is right now. Let's make it a bit smaller, so we are looking at this type of wedge pattern that the price is moving. So I'm moving the bigger pattern on the side, and we are going to look at the bullish movement that will come. So on the daily chart we need to focus on the bullish movement from where we are now. Probably price can spend also some time in this way before it moves higher. We need to market to accumulate volume before it changes the direction of the trend. So the next movement will be the trend line of the pattern. We can be approximately at 13, 15, and after that we have to see. However, let's break it down on a lower time frame, because we need to trade also on the lower time frames. And as we can see, the price is moving in a very interesting way. Look at this bullish movement. So on the bigger picture, price is creating this pattern that is expanding. From this point of view, we can say that we have A, B, C, D, E movement. This is not completed yet. We can see on this movement that it can come as an ABC movement. It has higher chances of happening like this. However, we need to know that also when the price will be probably above this area, we can see any strong accumulation that can push the price higher. So this is in small terms, to keep it simple here. If I'm going to delete the waves right now, I'm going to show you something very interesting. During the previous idea that I shared on KuCoin Token, price was developing this wedge pattern, and it reached the first target. It was approximately at this point. So this was our first target. Look at here where we headed during the previous time. Just one moment please. This was our first idea that I shared, and if I'm going to press run, you will see that the first target was reached. So what is getting more interesting right now is that after the price made the first bullish movement, we can see that it is correcting. So it is getting more interesting at this point. This is another accumulation as well. If we are going to look at it on this perspective, price is outside of the wedge pattern. The accumulation process ended, as we can see. Price is outside of the pattern. I am expecting that it should continue moving higher from this point, and this is very interesting scenario considering also the bigger picture that we are looking at here. But which will be our targets for the short-term trading? Probably not everyone wants to trade it on the long term. The first one should be the top of the previous structure, of this structure here. It looks very interesting area. I really like it, close to 10.5, and the next one should be close to the trend line and 11. However, I will update the KuCoin analysis during the coming days, so just stay focused. This is the analysis that we have right now, and it has higher chances that the price should continue to develop in this way. So hope you guys found this analysis useful. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Bye bye.